Okay guys, with the continuation of the last video about capital allowances and written down value of an asset. An asset is bought on the first day of the year for $10,000 and will be used on a project for 4 years, after which it will be disposed of on the final day of year 4, and tax is payable at 30%, 1 year in area, and capital allowances are available at 25%, reducing balance. Requirement is calculate the written down value of an asset and hence tax savings for each year of the proceeds on disposal of the asset are 2,500. Let's see how we can do it. For example, if it's a time tax savings at 30% and timing of tax relief. Okay, this is T naught, which is the initial investment, which is $10,000. T1 is what WDA, written down value of an asset at 25, which is 2,500. That would be 7,500. Written down value of an asset. Tax saving at 30%, that figure would be that 750. Just applying the rate of timings. Obviously, when we are talking about T1, the timings of the tax relief will be in the next accounting year, that will be T2. And when talking about T2 as well, WDA at 25%, that would be 1875, and that would be 5625 and 563, and that would be T3. And again you would have what written down value 5625, and also you have T3 written down value at 25 degree, which is 1406, and also it is 4219. So these tax savings would be 422. The relief here would be 4. Talking about 4, which are the sale proceeds, and that are 2,500, and obviously we have 1719, which is T4, which is the balancing charge, and then you have 516, which is T of 5, and the timing of tax receipt would be in T5. So this is how you're going to calculate the VDA and hence the savings for each year if the proceeds or disposal of the assets are 2,500. Starting from here and just applying the rate of 25,000, 25%, and the tax rate of 30,000 with the initial investment of this, you can calculate the written down value of an asset, which is normally as the balancing allowance, and that would be this one. So total VDAs would be, obviously we have calculated balancing charge. The total VDA would be what? VDA at this 2,500 plus VDA at this 1875 plus VDA at this, which is 1406, then adding plus this last VDA as well, which is 1719. Adding all will give us what? 7,500, which is fall in value of D asset. Okay, so that would be this total VDAs. And total tax relief, fall in value of the asset, that is this one. Total tax relief would be we have to calculate what? The savings. We have calculate VDA, which is this, which is obviously less than 10,000. Now we're going to calculate the savings. Okay, as far as the tax relief is concerned, you're just going to add up this, and this, and that would be tax saving. I just cut it short. Tax savings would be 7,000 is equal to, normally adding all these is 2,251, and this figure can also be calculated with the help of what? This 7,000. When you're going to apply the tax rate of 30%, you can find that this is approximately equal to this as well. Just adding this and multiplying the rate of tax at this as well, you can get the approximate tax savings value. So this is the tax saving. So I hope that you get how you can actually calculate the total tax relief from the total WDAs. Let's see if I'm able to do it this question as well, which is this one, and this time T0, T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. So this would be what? Net trading inflows, and this is 4,000, this is also 4,000, 4,000 and 4,000. What we have learned that if net trading income from the project is 4,000 per annum and the cost of capital is 10%, calculate NPV of the project. If it's possible, then it's worth taking. If it's negative, obviously it's not the worth taking. So first of all, we have the net trading inflow starting from T1. Okay, so starting from T1, and then we have tax payable, which is 30%, and that would be what? 1200, 1200, and yet again it would be 1200. And initial investment is 10,000, and what you have to do, you have to do the scrap proceed, which is 2,500, and tax relief on WDAs are what? 750, 563, 422 and 516. So that is how you're going to, because initial investment is this one, we can say net cash flows would be 10,000. Then you will have what? 4,000, 3550, 3363, 5722, and that would be 684 in negative. Okay, so when you're going to talk about the discount factor at 10%, how are we going to say it? Would be 1,000, 0.909, 0.826, 0.751, 0.683, and that would be 0.621. Just as a discount factor, you can get these values from the table as well. So what would be the present value? That would be 10,000 negative 3636, 2932, 2526, 3908, and that would be 425 in negative. Just adding all three starting from here, we get the NPV, which is 2577. You can calculate with, use it with the help of the calculator. Right now actually I am holding the scam as well, and also with the help of the calculations. You can do it on your own if you have the time. I'm just putting out the values, just showing how you can represent in the form of the table, how you're going to show when you're talking about the examination point of view. Obviously you need to know that how you're going to represent the figures, especially when you're talking representing from the examination point of view, because this representation is crucial from the examination point of view. Else you can apply this working for the MCQs as well, and you can get the values if there is any sort of questions of NPV like that. So this is how you're going to do it. NPV is equal to 2577. Okay, so this is the two questions that we have applied with the help of what? The flows, and also with the help of it would be T1, T0 to T4. Total VDAs are this, tax savings are this, fall in value, and also we have B as well. So these are the capital allowances with the written down value of an asset. An explanation, further explanation on the behalf of the last video. I hope that they may help you to get a further understanding and further grasp on ideas as well. So we have calculated VDA, we have calculated NPV with the help of this example, this understanding or test. The purpose, yet again, just to tell you that the videos are for the purpose of sharing in knowledge, skills, and professionalism through ACCA, through problems, through accounting and finance problems. It may help, actually the videos may help the students specifically aspiring for ACCA, and obviously for the students of accountancy and finance to whatever local accounting framework they are actually studying it, and whatever sort of the certification they are actually approached in, or you actually taking the examinations or having their careers in it. But the purpose is just to benefit any stream of qualification, and especially for at the student level, and also just helping the students to get a brief understanding from from a mathematical point of view, and from a financial problems point of view, and you can apply it to your local accounting framework as well. But obviously, as this medium is or this channel is being specifically for the location of India, so you can have, we are actually very welcome the students from Chennai, India, to have their input as well, so that they can understand it better. And obviously we are welcome any students who are willing to have any tuition courses as well. They can show their interest, and we can going to reciprocate accordingly through online tuition and through online stuff as well. So you can visit our Facebook page as well. We're going to show the link as well, and also we're going to let you know about our Facebook links, and that may help you to actually get an understanding about the ACCA tuition as well. But right now I'm going to end this video till for the next video. Take care and have a nice day.